back to the LG refrigerator. Now, there's the model number of this. It was manufactured in 2008, and I knew that after I pulled the ice maker after it ceased to function. And we got a nice date stamp in here. Here's a compartment. We'll clean that up with baking soda and the seal and all that before we reinstall that. Basically, we'll say how to get the ice maker. There's these 4 screws. I believe these are aluminum, so they're not magnetic, so it makes it, be careful when you're pulling that. You don't want to drop it into the ice tray. And then this is connectors. Again, that's the hardest part of getting this thing loose. Other idiosyncrasy of this refrigerator is if I can get a non-glare on that, but basically you pull the ice maker, it basically, the front panel goes into an error code. It says like E1 on that, which is okay. But now the water dispenser, which is independent of the ice maker, no longer works. The light's working, but the water will not dispense without the ice maker connected. I'm not sure how that pertains to that. And the model number of the ice maker is here, and basically removed it there was a chunk of ice that was stuck in here, and it wouldn't allow the I call it the roller ejector, or whatever you want to call it. And this actually says 2010 is what the date stamp here is. It's 2010-7 on that date of manufacture. So this might be a little older. Maybe that door panel was made on that. I don't recall when we got this, but I know it's at least 8-10 years old. But we'll lay that down on its side because it will not stand up on its own. And again, the only function was it just didn't want to make ice. So my first rule is take it out and let it defrost. And this this whole refrigerator had been in basically storage in our basement for 7 years until our other LG failed, the compressor failed that we bought new. We moved in here 8 years ago, and again we were out of the class action and warranty extension on that by 1 year, and would have had to pay labor to have a new compressor installed, which was not advisable at that point because it was $900 labor. So, I had this one in the basement, just pulled it up and gave the other one away on Facebook Marketplace.